just had a chance of reading Dr. Nazra Mahmood's book, Manzoor Alam Life and Services. It is a sincere attempt to perpetuate her ancestors' family and traditional values with special emphasis on her father's marvelous achievements and honest efforts to hand down the sublime morals and meritorious qualities to his descendants. Dr. Nazra has very skillfully woven the glimpses of cultural life of Tonk into this biography. Originally written in Urdu, it has been translated by Dr. Nazra into English, and this book highlights almost every aspect of the life of Janab Manzoor Alam. The family photographs, which are included in this book, are not only awakening the memories but also encourages the youngsters to emulate the high moral standards and disciplines of mind and body. Dr. Nazra's father, Manzoor Alam Sahab, combined in himself the cultures and values of Tonk as well as Aligarh Muslim University, from where he studied law. A man of progressive outlook, professional efficiency, Manzoor Alam Sahab was very proficient in human relationships. Duty conscious as he was, he shouldered his responsibilities towards the members of the extended family and towards his fellow citizens and towards his beloved nation. An enlightened lawyer, Manzoor Alam Sahab believed in collectivism and everyone's growth and advancement together. He believed that values will never vanish off the earth. Offering a few vivid glimpses of his life, Dr. Nazra's grandparents and this biography helps one learn Manzoor Alam Saab's religion of humanity, refined worldliness, empathy, and compassion. His social service preach the art of reaching out to the needy, giving generously to those who need it, and his own wealth, time, and energy he had spent in such activities. This book is a very simple narrative, beautiful style, and easy language, and it speaks of Dr. Nazira's skill as an author. A reader friendly book, Manzoor Alam Life and Services will be treasured not only by his relatives and family but also by the world. May it be a collector's item. Nazira, you have done a good job, and it's a daughter's best gift to her father. May God bless you.